CHZ, all things considered, faces opposition at 20 cents in an unobtrusive way. CHZ for the most part acquired roughly 0.58% inside the very most recent 24 hours in a genuinely huge manner. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz pick up bullish speed over the in every practical sense. Past week acquiring 10.99%, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. 22 June 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Chiliz cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and basically attempt to answer these regularly, essentially got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What fundamentally is somewhat transient cost expectation for Chiliz, truly is CHZ a sort of wise venture? Or so they sort of thought. Chiliz support and obstruction levels and so on, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. However, prior to jumping sort of profound into the CHZ specialized examination, especially let us generally discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they fundamentally thought. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,171,633,916,656, which really is very critical. The for the most part all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $45,387,585,410, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, which really is genuinely critical, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level after a vertical development of 0.4% in a huge manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.19%, coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, or so they basically thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time span in a very huge manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.14 and presently exchanging at 50 cents. Especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which especially is very huge. These occasions truly show that the market certainly is going in an in every practical sense, descending course for essentially present moment, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, an extremely broad, exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to, for the most part, recognize pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path. So Chiliz support and obstruction levels and so on in a truly significant manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers truly become in every practical sense all the more truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further in a for the most part large manner. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which vendors basically become move sort of dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So the genuinely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $45,387,585,410, which generally is genuinely critical. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Chiliz, CHZ, Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz, CHZ, sort of is at $0.074, up 0.58% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 10.99% throughout the week, which really shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,171,633,916,656, or so they essentially thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 48,030,500.00 United States dollars, while kind of all out, market cap came to $522,041,187 United States dollars. So these occasions for the most part show that the market by and large is going in a fundamentally descending heading for kind of present moment, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner. There especially are practically 7,024,695,758 especially are available for use out of 8,888,888,888. Fundamentally further appearance, how following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Chiliz, CHZ, Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz, CHZ, sort of is at $0.074, up 0.58% in the beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 10.99% throughout the week, which especially shows that market examination over the in every way that really matters. Last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,171,633,916,656, or so they sort of thought. Chiliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Examination for 22 June 2023, insight and especially day-to-day time period, generally made sense of beneath, exhibiting how these occasions sort of show that the market for the most part is going in a kind of descending heading for pretty present moment, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33% in a significant manner. We utilize especially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of normal assembly and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Chiliz, which really shows that yet prior to jumping especially profound into the CHC specialized investigation, most certainly allowed us certainly to discuss the by and large current economic situations, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The truly relative strength file, RSI for CHZ coin, truly is at present floating at 28 for 14 days normal line, which sort of means CHZ truly is an oversold zone and a pattern by and large inversion generally is conceivable, which explicitly shows that there fundamentally are practically 7,024,695,758 by and large are available for use out of 8,888,888,888 in every practical sense. Further appearance how following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Chiliz, CHZ, Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz, CHZ, generally is at 0.